Hello dear. You probably might be wondering what is going on in this video. Well, permit me to show you the steps to preparing the AJU MBAISE Herbal Tonic. This video is dedicated to all the new moms out there, both the old moms and potential moms. Our bodies indeed perform miraculous acts to birth and bring on new beings into this world. We simply rock, trust me, we do. With all the special works that our bodies perform, we equally need to take good care of our bodies in special ways, and that's where the AJU MBAISE Tonic comes in. But before we dive into this video, let me gladly welcome you back to the Global Food Book YouTube channel. Welcome back to another video. If this is your first time here, you are highly welcome, but please don't make it your last, okay? If you are a returning subscriber, you are the real OG, trust me, you are. Thank you so much for all your support, and I hope to see you often here, okay? I'm equally wishing you the very best in all your endeavors. So in this video, I'll be showing you how to make the AJU MBAISE tonic or tea. Just a little bit of intro about AJU MBAISE. AJU MBAISE is a traditional herb from MBAISE in Igboland, notable for its various medicinal uses and potential health benefits. It is a collection of 5 different types of leaves, roots, and tree bark used mostly by new moms to relieve postpartum and menstrual pains, expel blood clots, and retain placenta after childbirth. It supports the involution of the uterus, which is basically a natural process that involves a pregnant uterus returning to its pre-pregnancy state. Some peeps also believe that the AJU MBAISE enhances labor. But before we dive deeper into this precious herbal tea, let me quickly highlight that even though AJU MBAISE has been used for centuries for its potential health benefits, the scientific research on its efficacy is still limited. Besides, it's important to always consult your healthcare professional before introducing any new herbal remedy into your routine, especially if you are having an underlying health condition or you are pregnant or breastfeeding. To make the AJU MBAISE tea, I first started off by untying the wrap so that I can give the leaves a thorough wash. Yes, I know some people claim that, oh, it shouldn't be untied before cooking, but personally, there is no way I'm going to be comfortable boiling these leaves without first inspecting the content. No way. And because the leaves I have are already dried up, I first poured hot water over the leaves to prevent them from breaking up while washing them. Of course, I gave the AJU MBAISE a thorough wash because I don't want any ants or dirt to be left behind, okay? And then I went ahead to add the leaves in a pot. I poured enough water to cover up the leaves. And then covered the pot to allow the leaves to boil. I boiled the leaves for approximately 2 hours. Although some people boil the leaves overnight, right? Whatever works for you, just go for it. While the leaves are boiling, you can see the water discoloring. That herbal discolor tonic is all you need for the wonders to happen in your body as a woman. Just a little bit more about the AJU MBAISE. So the AJU MBAISE is packed with various vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that contribute to our overall health and well-being. It acts as a natural remedy to aid postpartum recovery, and it is believed to help restore the uterus, improve the contraction of the womb, and alleviate postnatal discomfort. A couple of my friends have, reached out to me saying, "Blessing, can I drink the AJU MBAISE to lose weight?" Well, some people claim that it helps with weight management and for reduction of belly fat, but I haven't experimented that though, so you might want to consider trying it and find out for yourself, okay? AJU MBAISE is also known for its detoxifying properties, hence believed to help cleanse the body by eliminating toxins from our bodies. And what if I told you that some people use AJU MBAISE to boost fertility and increase their chances of conception? Please don't take my words for it. Consult your health practitioner first. Well, it is often recommended to couples who are trying to conceive. Some people also believe that AJU MBAISE can help regulate menstrual cycles and alleviate menstrual cramps. Well, it is believed to promote overall menstrual health. And after boiling the leaves, just let it cool down. sift out the tea. Drink the AJU MBAISE Herbal tea as needed, or use it to cook your new mom postpartum yam porridge, jimmy-roko, or plantain or spicy pepper soup. Basically, this tonic forms the base for cooking any new mom special dish you want to cook. Lest I forget, I have a video on how to cook postpartum yam porridge or jimmy-roko for new moms. You should consider watching that video as well. And I have the link in the description box as well. I wouldn't want this video to be longer than it already is, so I will stop here and let you do the rest of the research by yourself. Please let us hear your thoughts about the AJU MBAISE in the comment section. Don't forget to watch my new mom jimmy-roko consumption stage video that I cooked with the AJU MBAISE Tonic. If you find this video helpful, please feel free to give it a thumbs up. Go ahead and share this video so that our mothers out there can learn about this herbal tea. Don't forget to subscribe to be notified once I release a new video. See you in my next video, and bye for now.